Hey everybody, today I have a Matco SBT 593, the stretchy belt remover installer here, and I did a video on a Bronco Sport that I had to put a water pump on. So I had the video of me using the installer part of this tool to put the belt on. So I thought I'd go ahead and just make a really quick video of how to use this to get the belt back on. So bear with me, let me get the other video up here and I'll show you how to use this remover installer. I only did use the installer because I got the belt off a different way, but I will show you how to use the Matco tool to install one of these stretchy belts. All right, I do have one of these Matco belt remover installers. So I have the belt wrapped and routed properly. And what you're supposed to do is, since I want to install, that goes on the belt. So you want to slide this up underneath until as far as you can go. Make sure the belt is on everything properly, which it seems to be. This really probably is going to take 3 hands, and I know it's not going to go on the first time, but we're going to try. G Junior is disappeared on me. I don't know where he went. So let's see if this will work. So just start rotating it on. So I'm trying to put a little pressure on the water pump to keep the belt from popping off as I come around. As you see, it popped off. All right, and the whole belt popped off. So let me get all this rerouted. All right. Of course, they tell you to put the belt around the crank to get it back on. I don't know. And yeah, you can't go that way. You're gotta go this way. Hey, can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I got the camera shoved right here. So what I need you to do, and I want you to come back in here once I tell you to get back on the bolt, and then we're trying to get the belt back on. All right, so G Junior's reappeared. So let me get the belt on. Okay, just wait a second. And then I gotta put this back on like so. Okay, that looks all good. All right, this is the problem. It keeps popping off of here. All right, go ahead and get on the crank. All right. Ready? Yep, go ahead and start rotating that. Yep, keep going, keep going. All right, keep going a little bit more. All right, go a little bit more. Keep going a little bit more. All right, perfect. All right, this tool actually worked. Never had this tool actually install a belt that good, but it takes 2 people, and you saw it just went right around. I held that on there. So now all I gotta do is put it all back together.